Hi everyone, it's Brad for bradthepainter.com, and today I'm sanding a small drywall project. Actually, it's just mud from just a little patch, and I wanted to show you what that vacuum that I use and the way I keep dust from going throughout the house is I use this it's a shop vac, 1 gallon. I think it's 1 or 1.5 or whatever. And this paper filter, which is washable, catches the dust. You can see that the dust comes in here and sort of circles around, and then the exhaust goes through. Obviously, duh. Hello. That's what vacuums are. And then on this end, I use the wide piece and I just sand. Let me pan up here. And I sand with this thing right underneath it. And this dust is so light, it'll fly through the house. So catching 98% of it, I think, with this method. So here, I'll do a little. I almost turned off the camera instead of the vac. So you can see it catches 95% of it right in there, and then what you don't get, you get that later. But it's really beneficial. And I guess the main point I want to make is don't use your home vacuum attachment like this. They're not made for this kind of dust, and it'll just kill it. I've seen people ruin their good vacuum cleaners so often. It's just a shame. Just buy an old shop vac with the paper filter. Okay, hope you enjoyed. I'm going to upload this to some of one. I guess it'll be prepping drywall or something like that on bradthepainter.com. You can just go there and search for sanding drywall. I don't know, but I hope this helps. See you later.